Hello friends, you are watching Nutritalk with Sonali and this is Dietitian Sonali. In this video, I'm going to talk about a summer super grain. It's the oldest and fourth most produced grain after rice, that is chawal or tanur, wheat, that is gehu or gaum, and maize, that is makka or moko. It's a very versatile grain with nutty flavor and chewy pasta-like texture. Any guesses which grain I'm talking about? I'm talking about barley. In Hindi, it is called jaw, and in Konkani, it is called sawad. So in this video, let us see why barley is called a summer super grain.
Barley is rich in magnesium, manganese, potassium, selenium, iron, phosphorus, vitamin B6, copper, calcium, folate, zinc, vitamin C, and thiamine.
Barley is also rich in antioxidants, lignans, and phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are plant compounds which are good for our body, and it has both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber in barley is beta-glucan, and it is the same fiber found in oats, which turns into gel-like consistency and improves digestion and absorption of nutrients from food. Now, soluble fiber are fibers which can dissolve in water and takes time to digest. So, this soluble fiber in barley is great for Weight Watchers because it controls their appetite and makes them feel satiated for long. Also, the soluble fiber in barley or jaw acts as a prebiotic. That means it's a food for good bacteria in our gut. So, it also boosts our gut health. So, तातून कितें जाता जे पोटाचे विकार आसा, indigestion, bloating, fluctuates, हे problems जायना. Barley also prevents constipation because the soluble fiber in barley has laxative properties. That means जे आमच्या बॉडीन वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस जाता ते बॉडीनसून भायर पडपाक ताका मातशें मॉइश्चर जाय. ओके, जर ते वेस्ट सुके उरले, ड्राय उरले जाल्यार कॉन्स्टिपेशन प्रॉब्लम जाता. सो जर सल्युबल फायबर आसा बार्ली तो वेस्ट जो आसा आमच्या बॉडीन ताका मॉइस्ट दवरता, मातशें ताका वॉल्सान दिता बॉडीनसून भायर पडपाक. So that is how barley helps to prevent constipation. Barley doubles in size when cooked, just like rice. Now we all know summer is the most difficult season of the year, especially in Goa. The scorching heat coupled with high humidity and hot winds makes life uncomfortable. The high temperature results in unnecessary sweating, which leads to loss of fluid, that is water, along with electrolytes like sodium, potassium, chloride from the body. Here electrolyte and fluid जर body replace करूंक ना, then it can lead to weakness, fatigue, muscle cramp, केन्ना केन्ना हात पाय मेळना म्हणटा पळय ते, and ultimately dehydration, which is a serious health risk if left untreated. Our body cannot store water, so maintaining adequate hydration, especially in summers, is the biggest challenge, since there is great loss of water due to sweating and urination. And if body's water requirement or fluid requirement is not met, it can lead to kidney stones and UTI, that is urinary tract infection, which is very common in females. So what can be done to replace the fluid along with electrolytes to beat the heat and stay well hydrated? The answer to it is barley water, jaw का पाणी और सवादचे उदक. तुम्ही आता म्हणटली आम्ही तर उदक पिताच, बार्ले उदक पिवपाची कितें गरज म्हणजे फक्त उदक रिप्लेस करून उपकार ना. जे बॉडीचे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट भायर पडटा, एक्सक्रीट जाता, ते सुद्धा रिप्लेस करपाक जाय बॉडी, एस्पेशली इन समर्स, and especially those people who do not follow a healthy balanced diet. जे लोक ऑन डेली बेसिस फ्रुट्स वेजिटेबल्स खायना तेंच्यांनी बार्ले उदक पिल्लें खूब बरें बिकॉज हे जे बॉडीचे मेन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आसा सोडियम, पोटॅशियम, क्लोराइड, ते जर बॉडी डेफिशियंट जाले वा तेजो इम्बॅलन्स जालो बॉडी, देन इट कॅन लीड टू मसल वीकनेस ऑर मसल क्रॅम्प्स, तेचे ते हात पाय मेळटा म्हणटा पळय ते, इरेग्युलर हार्टबीट, जो बीपी आसा तो फ्लक्चुएट जातलो, केन्ना केन्ना लो जातलो, हाय जातलो, स्पेशली इन समर्स सम पीपल सफर फ्रॉम लो बीपी, दॅट इज हायपोटेन्शन. Then respiratory problems जावंक शकता, श्वास घेवपाक प्रॉब्लम जावंक शकता, then confusion or headache जावंक शकता, and if it is left untreated, it can also lead to kidney problems. Electrolytes also maintain our body pH, and our body loves neutral pH. So right balance of electrolytes in our body also helps in proper functioning of heart muscles, nerves, and brain cells. It also helps in transportation of nutrients into cells, and so it keeps our body well hydrated. जो आमच्या बॉडीचो pH आसा, इट शूड बी समवेयर इन बिटवीन एसिडिक एंड अल्कलाइन pH. जर एसिडिकूय आसूंक जायना बॉडीचो pH और अल्कलाइन सुद्दां आसपाक जायना, इट शूड बी समवेयर इन बिटवीन, बिकॉज जर एसिडिक जालो चड और चड अल्कलाइन जालो, it leads to inflammation or infection in body. ओके, तुमकां आतां कशें कळटलें तुमच्या बॉडीचो पीएच कितें आसा पळय तो. जर तुमी युरीन टेस्ट करता तर युरीन टेस्टाच्या रिपोर्टाचेर बरयल्लें आसतलें पीएच फॅक्टर. Okay, so that is how you come to know about your body pH. There are many other tests also, and I will not go much in detail about body pH because that's so confusing exactly. Maybe in my future videos I will talk about body pH and foods that you should eat and avoid to maintain your body pH. So तुमकां आतां कळ्ळें तुमी बार्ले उदक कित्याक पिवपाक जाय तें. So when you drink barley water, apart from your plain water, it will not only quench your thirst, but will also provide your body with vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in barley. Especially for people who do not follow a healthy balanced diet. जे लोग on daily basis fruits, vegetables खायना. For those people, barley water is going to work miracle in their body. So try to include barley water apart from plain water during the day sip by sip. So what you can do is you can have 500 ml to 1 liter of barley water apart from plain water. Now how much water one should drink? I have discussed that in my earlier video. I will be sharing the link in the description box, so please go and check it out. Let's see how to make barley water. Barley udak कशें करपाचें. Its health benefits and many other things.
This is how pearl barley looks like. I have taken 1/4 katori, that is 50 grams. Wash the pearl barley and rinse it thoroughly in water for 3 to 4 times till water runs clear. After washing and rinsing the pearl barley, soak it overnight in water. It's important to soak grains overnight to discard the anti-nutrients like phytic acid, which hinder the absorption of minerals in our body. Minerals like zinc, phosphorus, calcium, iron. Overnight soaking also makes these grains cook faster without pressure cooker. Also, soaking gluten-containing grains helps to break down gluten faster, which is a hard to digest protein. For 50 grams of pearl barley, that is 1/4 katori, I have taken 1 liter 200 ml of fresh water. It is always better to follow instruction given on the packet since the water requirement will vary based on barley quality. I am adding few pieces of ginger, that is ale, great for indigestion, reduces menstrual cramps, very effective to reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis of knee. A teaspoon of fennel seeds, body shape, rich in dietary fiber, has cooling properties as well, great for breastfeeding mothers as it helps to improve milk secretion. And finally, adding the washed, rinsed and overnight soaked pearl barley grains. Give it a stir. Put on the flame and cook it on medium flame for about 15 minutes. Once the water starts boiling, check the barley if it is cooked. It's perfectly cooked. Switch off the flame and close the saucepan with lid. Let the barley water cool down completely. Take a jar, add into it soaked sabja seeds. I have taken about a teaspoon, rich in protein, minerals like calcium, magnesium. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which is great for heart health. I am also adding into it half lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, which helps in iron absorption. However, you can also use orange peel or rind. I am also adding into it a small piece of ajwain leaf, rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. It helps to regulate hormones, great for hair health and improves gum health. Then finally, strain the cooked barley water. Add half a teaspoon of pink salt. It's optional. If you don't want, you can omit it. Give it a stir. Your summer super barley water drink is ready to be enjoyed. You can also refrigerate it, but avoid keeping it in refrigerator for too many days. Also skip any sweetener to avoid extra calories. You can use the cooked pearl barley to make salad or as a replacement for rice. Nutritional value of 100 grams cooked pearl barley. Energy 193 kilocalories, that is 10% of daily value. Protein 3.5 grams, that is 7% of daily value. Carbohydrates 44 grams, that is 15% of daily value. Fats 0.7 grams, that is 1% of daily value. And fiber 6 grams, that is 21% of daily value, since it is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber.
As per American Dietetics Association, the RDA, that is required dietary allowance of dietary fiber for men up to age 50 should be 38 grams, and for women up to age 50 should be 25 grams. This is for American. Indians, as per NIN, that is National Institute of Nutrition, the RDA required dietary allowance of dietary fiber for Indians, it should be 30 grams on daily basis for both gender. The health benefits of barley water and cooked barley pearls are many. Barley water detoxifies our body. That means it removes toxins from our body. And this is possible because of the soluble fiber present in barley water. You remember I told you the soluble fiber in barley, beta-glucan, dissolves in water, and that's how it removes toxins from our body. Barley water is an excellent home remedy for UTI, that is urinary tract infection, which is very common in females, kidney stones and cysts. Barley water is best summer drink for weight loss because the soluble fiber, beta-glucan, in barley water takes time to digest. So it makes one feel fuller for long. But remember, it is not a shortcut for weight loss. It should be coupled with healthy balanced diet and exercise. Barley water is also good for diabetics because it controls sudden rise in blood sugar because of the soluble fiber, beta-glucan, which takes time to digest, and mineral like magnesium, which is important in insulin production. Barley has calcium, phosphorus, copper, magnesium, zinc. It is great for joint and bone health, and so it prevents osteoporosis. Barley also helps to reduce LDL, that is bad cholesterol, and triglyceride due to phytochemicals in barley called tocols. You remember I told you phytochemicals are plant compounds which are good for our body? That's the benefit. And it also helps to increase HDL, that is good cholesterol. Barley water is also great for healthy cell growth since it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Barley water improves digestion and prevents constipation because it is high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Barley water has cooling properties, so it is great for hydration in summers. Studies have shown that the antioxidant in barley, lignin, lowers the risk of heart disease and cancer. Barley or barley water also boosts immunity and metabolism. Studies have shown that people who follow a rapid weight loss diet deficient in fiber and high in protein, it increases their chances of developing gallbladder stones. So barley water prevents the formation of gallbladder stones, and so it reduces the chances of gallbladder surgery. Barley water or barley is great for women's health since it is rich in calcium, iron, selenium, and antioxidants. And also it prevents UTI, that is urinary tract infection, which is very common in females. Barley water is high in nitric oxide and arginine, so it is great for reproductive health of men and women. Barley is also rich in vitamin B6 and folate, and these nutrients are essential for our heart health because these nutrients, folate and vitamin B6, helps to reduce excess levels of homocysteine from our blood. Now, homocysteine is a type of protein, amino acid, which our body can produce, and if it is produced in excess, it can lead to heart disease, म्हणजे high BP, stroke, heart attack जाऊ शकतात. And one of the reasons why homocysteine levels increases in our blood is due to stress. So I will talk in detail about homocysteine in my future videos. Barley contains betaine, which is converted to choline in body, and this nutrient choline helps to sleep better, boost memory, and increases learning ability. Barley water is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which is great for eyesight. Because the computer lecture and laptop काम करून जी blue light emits जातं, it causes oxidative stress on retina, and so it damages the eyesight. But these nutrients in barley, it prevents this damage and protects the eyesight. In short, or simple उतरांनी सांगचे म्हणजे, these nutrients in barley acts as internal sunglasses that protects the eyes from blue light damage. Barley जे असतं म्हणजे खूपशा variety गावतं मागेला. Whole barley is one variety that I showed you. After making barley water, the cooked barley you can use in your salad, or you can replace the cooked pearl barley for rice. Barley water can also be used as a post-workout drink. How? I'll tell you what I do.
I sweat a lot these days post-workout due to high humidity in Goa. So I use barley water instead of plain water to make sattu drink post-workout.
Broken barley is also available in market, that is dalia of barley. You can make upit, upma, porridge of broken barley. Barleyचे पिठूय गावता or barley flour, barley आटा म्हणटा तेका, and since it has gluten, you can easily make chapati or roti of barley flour. Barley flour can be also used to make slurry, and you can use that slurry as a thickening agent in soup instead of cornstarch. You also get barley flakes. It is just like rice flakes, poha म्हणटा ते.
So you can make poha out of barley flakes.
In South Korea, Japan, and China, barley chow is common and it's called boricha. Bori means barley and cha means tea, and this beverage is very popular in these countries.
Boricha is made from roasted pearl barley or pre-made tea bags containing ground barley, which can be enjoyed hot or cold. But boricha, barley tea, it differs from barley water. Barley tea, boricha, is rich in quercetin, an antioxidant which improves heart health, blood pressure, and great for brain health.
Apart from pearl barley, barley flour, broken barley or barley flakes, you also get barley whiskey or barley beer, which is a very popular beverage in Europe. But I wouldn't suggest this beverage because it is always better to have foods in their natural form. So तुमका आता कळे बारीक सुपर सामग्री कित्याक म्हणटा पळय ते. So do include barley water or cooked pearl barley or any variety of barley in your diet. Coming to the last part, barley is so healthy for our body, no doubt. But excess of anything is not good. And so, excess of barley water or barley is not good for our health. Barley, eating excess of cooked pearl barley or any products of barley can lead to indigestion or bloating because it is high in fiber. So accordingly, you will have to manage your water intake. Barley has gluten, which is a type of protein some people cannot digest, just like tea. So people who have celiac disease or gluten enteropathy or gluten allergy should avoid barley or any products of barley, even barley whiskey or tea. Eating too much of barley or any products of barley can lead to constipation if your plain water intake is not adequate, because it is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. You cannot drink too much of barley water or replace barley water with plain water. So what you can do is, if your water requirement is 3 liters per day, you can have 1 liter of barley water and 2 liters of plain water on daily basis. If it is not possible daily basis, try to have barley water apart from plain water 2 or 3 times in a week. Barley water is an all-season beverage, so you can have it not just in summer but also in monsoon and winter. So do include barley water or any variety of barley in your diet to reap all barley health benefits. If you found this video informative, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your family and friends. And until next time, bye-bye.